Here we go. We have a question, longest subarray with the summation k. So you have given an array containing integers and an integer k. Your task is to find the length of the longest subarray where sum of its elements is equal to the given value k. If there is no subarray, we need to return the length as 0. So let's suppose we have this test case. So this is one of the subarray, the length is 2. This is another subarray, the length is 4. This is another subarray, the length is 6. So the maximum length is 6. So what will be the brute force or naive approach? It will be to iterate, it will be to write nested for loop. So in that, first we will write to calculate all subarrays, then we will again have to write for loop to find the summation. So it will be order of n cube, but you can optimize it into order of n square, but we have to solve this question in order of n. So that's kind of interesting. Now let's talk about this test case. We have uh, -5. So this is one of the subarray, the length is 1, and this is another subarray. So 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 4 14, so 14 will cancel out -14. So this is another subarray, the length is 5, and in this we have not find any subarray, the length is 0. Let's build the approach. We have this test case. So let's suppose till now, what's the summation? The summation is 15. Summation is 15. So and till now the summation is 25, and if I subtract this portion, let me erase this, yeah. So till now we got 25, and if I subtract this portion, means the summation till now, is 10. So the remaining subarray will be 15. So this is our formula. Let's suppose we have from I to j, the length I to j is x, and this is k. Similar to this is our k. Then the remaining length, the remaining summation will be x minus k. If x minus k is already there in our array, so how do we find that? We will use map data structure. Why map? Because we also need to find the index. So that's why. So if you don't get it, I will give you an idea, and we will dry run this approach. So if the x minus k value is there in our map, or this value is there previously, it means our k is present ending at the jth index. So that's all. We need to find x minus k. X means summation minus k. We need to find summation minus k. So what's the summation till now? Till now it is 10. So the value will be 10 minus 15. It will be -5. Is -5 there? No, -5 is not there. Okay, no issues. So then we got 10. We need to insert 10. Insert 10 at position 0. Then let's go ahead. Till now we got 15. So what we got? Summation is 15 minus 15, which is equal to 0. Is 0 there? No, 0 is not there. It means we have not find any subarray, but this is valid one. This is a valid. So to handle this, we can apply two things. First is to insert 0 on position -1. One way to handle is this. So we will check 15. Summation is 15 minus 15 is 0. Is 0 there? Yes, 0 is there. The index is -1. The index is -1. So what will be the total length? -1 here, 1 here. So the length will be 2. As you can see, 2 is the length. Or another way to handle this situation is is to just check if our summation is equal to k. If our summation is equal to k, it means from the starting till now we have summation as k. So what will be the length? 0, 1. The length will be I plus 1. The length will be I plus 1. You can check it. We have length as 2. So I prefer this way, but you can choose whichever you want. So till now we have answer as 2. Let's go ahead. We have 17. So but don't forget to add 15. 15 at position 1. So now let's go ahead. We have 17. So 17 minus 15. 2. Is 2 there? No. Okay. So just push value. Just add your value at position 2 and go ahead. So 17 7 is equal to 24. So what will be the value? 24 minus 15. 7. Is 7 there? No. Okay. Add your value at position 3. Then the next value 25. Then 25 minus 15, which is equal to 10. Is 10 there? Yes, 10 is there at position 0. So this position at position 0. So what will be the length? So 0 is our starting point and this is our ending point. How do we get 0? 0 is here. So what will be the length? Till now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is index 4. So 4 minus 0 is 4. As you can check, 4 is our length. So till now the maximum length is 4 only. So update your answer and push your value. Let's go ahead. We have 15. Then 15 minus 15 is there. 15 minus 15 is 0. Is 0 there? Yes, 0 is there at index minus 1. So at index minus 1, what's this index? I think I have inserted a wrong value. It is 4. So the index is 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 5 minus 1 is 6. So the subarray length is 6. The subarray length is 6. So just update your answer. Answer. And now at this position we got 15. But 15 is already there. So should I update or no? The answer is no. Because till now we got 15 and till now we also got 15. If there is any value after that, we want maximum length, so it will check the length from this to this. If I check the length from this to this, the length is much shorter. So if a value is already there, I will not update the value. I will not update the index. So this is a crucial point. We will not update the value. So 15 value will not be updated. Then till now we got 35. We got 35. No, 15. 15 till now and 15 is equal to 40. Then what's the value? 40 minus 15 is equal to 25. It's 25 there. Yes, 25 is there at index 1. At index 1. So at index 1. Yeah, at index. This is not 1. This is 4. Then this is our 4. This is our 6. What's the length? The length is 2. The length is 2. And you can check it. The summation is still 15. So the length is 2, but answer contains the maximum value, so we will not update our answer. Then just push 40 and go ahead. Push 40 at index 6, and that's all. For this, the maximum length is 6. Let's build for the next array. Then we have this. First of all, push 0 on index -1. Then we got this value. So what's the formula? Summation minus k. Summation is -5. So -5 minus -5 is equal to 0. Is 0 there? Yes, 0 is there. So the answer will be 1. Because we have this length, we have this length. So what's the difference between this and this? I minus previous index is 1. So we got 1 answer. Then we got this. So it is 3. But don't forget to push -5 on index 0. Then we got 3. So what's the formula? 3 minus k. So 3 minus k is -2. No, it is not there. So 3 on position 1. Then we got this. So it will be -11. Then what's the formula? -11 minus -5. So it will be -6. -6 is not there. Then we got -9. So what's the formula? -9 minus -5, which is equal to -4. Is -4 there? No. Okay, so just push -3 on index 3. Then we have this -5. So -5 minus -5. It is there. Yes, it is there. The value is there on position -1. So the length will be 5. So I think this is the maximum length. Let me check. Yeah, this is the maximum length. So I hope you got my point. Now let's code this. We have a map. First we put this value. Then we have current, answer and n. Simple for loop. Just take the value. If this value is there in our map, just find the length. Just find the length. And if this value is not there, just put it. We want the minimum index, so that's why we will not updating. If the value is not there, only then we are placing a value. That's it. Just return the answer. Let's submit this. And let's talk about time and space complexity. In this code, the time complexity is order of n and space complexity is also order of n. So that's all. The code is provided in the description box. If you have learned something new, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. Thank you all for watching.